MEXC is having another great event going on with big prizes that you can join easily, so get ready. So guys, we are back once again with another great event and MEXC.com, and today we're going to be showing you how you can claim the rewards for yourself, how to get into it, and what you can expect from it in the near future. Before I get to that, just remember that I'm not a financial advisor, and you should always remember to make a decision for yourself in deciding to invest into your project. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it, and welcome to the Golden Era Showdown Gold Bar and BTC giveaway. So guys, we have reviewed many MEXC events that offer ton of rewards in the past that you could easily join for free, and today there is another one that we're going to be showing you how you can get started with registering and logging into your account and getting in to participate. So let's go and take a look at what it's all about. Basically guys, for those of you not familiar with MEXC, it is one of the top crypto exchanges in the crypto world that millions of users are using daily guys, and they empower users with a secure and simple platform, providing the most trending tokens, daily airdrops, extremely low fees, and comprehensive liquidity. And their mission is to be the easiest way to get to crypto success within the crypto world. And their mission is to be your easiest way to crypto success. And when it comes to their security, to their fees, and their currency quantity, guys, they are at the top of the game when you compare them to some other similar projects such as Bybit, OKX, and so on. And this is why people are taking a look at MEXC. So today they have the Golden Era event that is going on that we're going to be showing you, as well as showing you the prizes that await you with this project. So to get into, you want to register if you do not already have an account. So you can click the register now option. You can find all the links that you need down in the description to get into today. So once you click sign up, you can get started with providing your email and password that you want to use. If you already have an account, click the login now option and you can easily log in. So make sure to sign up. If you do not already have an account, you can claim your $10 bonus just for signing up and getting into it. So now we can go ahead and log in. And here you have it guys, after logging in, now we can get started. So you have the trade now option right here that's going to take you to the futures page where you can get started with trading. So let's go ahead and showcase you the prizes that you have with this project. As you can see, they have already 140k registered users and a total prize pool of 3 million USDT. So here are the statistics that you can go and take a look at for your statistics, the daily prizes, weekly surprises, and so on. And the daily prizes are right here. So basically guys, the prize pool unlocks across 6 tiers, reaching up to 10 million USDT once the final tier is unlocked. So this is a very unique event that you can go ahead and join easily, and the first 2,000 users that register during the early bird registration period and trade at least 50,000 USDT volume in futures will share 40,000 USDT in futures fee vouchers. So the trade download option is going to take you to the futures trading where you can get started with getting into it. So now let's go and take a look at the prizes that we have right here. As you can see here, we have the scratch zone. So you're going to have the daily scratch off guys, where with every 50,000 USDT of daily futures volume gets you one scratch card with rewards up to 2,025 USDT. So you can be rewarded handsomely guys just by participating in the futures trading. And as you can see, you can earn one scratch off for every 50,000 USDT traded daily, which is capped 5 scratch offs per day. So keep that in mind. So if you want to get started with trading now, you click the trade now option and you can come back to the scratch zone once you are ready. So you can see, you can take a look at the remaining prize pool today and how much is left. We also have the weekly spin wheel guys. So every 2 million USDT of weekly futures volume gets you one spin with rewards up to 5,000 USDT. So as you can see, for every accumulated weekly trading volume, you will receive one lucky draw with maximum 5 chances per week. So if you want to get started with trading, trade now option is right here and you can get started spinning the wheel. As you can see, you can get multiple rewards all the way up to 5,000 USDT. So if you want to go ahead and test out your luck guys, you can go ahead and test it out for yourself to take a look how it works. And we have the ultimate giveaway right here, the ultimate grand prize, the gold bar and BTC giveaway. And what is this giveaway? Well, with every 10 million USDT of total event volume, this gets you one ticket, and the rewards include luxuries, gold bars that are worth at least 350,000 USDT. You get Bitcoin and other major bonuses. As you can see right here, there is no limit on the number of tickets. Gold bar and BTC will be awarded to winning ticket numbers, and you are going to go and be receiving one sequentially generated 5-digit lucky lottery ticket for every 10 million USDT accumulated trading volume during the event period. So you can go and take a look at the rules right here. You can take a look at your lottery codes and you can trade now right here and get started. So grand prize reveal is in 16 days. You're going to go and be having your 5 digits right here, and this is what makes it special. And how exactly does the giveaway system work for those of you that did not really catch up with it? Well guys, basically they are going to be using Bitcoin's block hash to ensure complete fairness and transparency. The winning number is going to be the last 5 digits of the first BTC block hash generated after July 4th of 2025. and you can verify the block hash on blockchain.com. And the ranking system is implemented as well, guys, where you can go ahead and compare each 5-digit lottery ticket from right to left on the winning number, and the lottery code with the most number of match digit ranks the highest with the winning number, guys, and the lottery code with the most number of match digits ranks the highest and will win the gold bar. So this is going to be the lucky special winner. Who knows, it might be exactly you watching this video. So there is a tiebreaker as well. If multiple tickets match the same number of consecutive digits, the one whose first match digit is large ranks higher and wins better prizes. And there you have it, guys. It's all completely fair and made equal for everyone, and this is the ultimate prize that we are waiting for. So here you can take a look at the leaderboard, the lucky ticket lottery. You can go ahead and take a look at how people are doing, how many lottery tickets they have accumulated, and so on. Here are all the prizes you can go ahead and check out for yourself and how to get into. So guys, go ahead and log in for yourself, register if you have not already. All the links that you need are down in the description. To get into the event today, make sure to become a part of this event before the time expires. So find everything you need in the description and get started testing out your luck today. So make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn notifications on so you can always be notified when we upload a new video. But yes, thanks for watching today's one. I'll see you in the next one, and bye.